Ever wondered if you could send your Tether, USDT, zipping across the Tron network using Kraken? It's a question I've seen popping up all over the crypto community, and honestly, it's a valid one. Navigating the world of stablecoins and blockchains can feel like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics sometimes. There are so many different networks, token standards, and exchanges, it's easy to get lost in the jargon. And when it comes to managing your digital assets, especially stablecoins like USDT, knowing which network to use can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. So, does Kraken, a major player in the crypto exchange arena, support USDT on the Tron network, also known as TRC20? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Before we get into the specifics of Kraken and USDT TRC20, let's take a quick step back and understand why this question even matters. USDT, as many of you probably know, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This means that, in theory, 1 USDT should always be worth 1 US dollar. Stablecoins like USDT are incredibly popular in the crypto space because they offer a haven from the volatility that's so common with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They allow traders to easily move value around without having to worry about massive price swings. Now, here's where things get a little more complex. USDT wasn't always on the Tron network. It actually originated on the Omni layer, which is a platform built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. However, using the Omni layer for USDT transactions could be slow and expensive. Think of it like trying to send a package via snail mail. It works, but it's not exactly the fastest or cheapest option. That's where Tron comes in. Tron is a blockchain platform that's known for its high transaction speeds and low fees. It's designed to handle a large volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. So, when Tether Limited, the company behind USDT, decided to issue USDT on the Tron network, it was a game changer. Suddenly, users could send USDT across the Tron network, TRC20, quickly and cheaply. This made USDT much more accessible and usable, especially for smaller transactions and arbitrage opportunities. Think of it like switching from snail mail to express delivery, much faster and more efficient. So, why is the TRC20 standard so important? Well, besides the speed and cost benefits, it also offers greater interoperability. Many decentralized applications, dApps, and other crypto platforms support the TRC20 standard, making it easier to move USDT around within the broader DeFi ecosystem. This increased accessibility and usability has made TRC20 the dominant network for USDT transactions. Now, let's circle back to our original question. Does Kraken support USDT TRC20? This is the million-dollar question, and the answer is yes, Kraken does support USDT on the Tron network, TRC20. This is great news for anyone who wants to use Kraken to buy, sell, or trade USDT and take advantage of the speed and low fees offered by the Tron network. However, there's a crucial detail you need to be aware of. While Kraken does support USDT TRC20, it's essential to double-check which network you're using when you deposit or withdraw USDT. Kraken, like many other exchanges, might support USDT on multiple networks, such as Ethereum, ERC20, and Tron, TRC20. If you accidentally send USDT to Kraken using the wrong network, you could lose your funds. This is not something you want to experience, so always double-check the network before confirming any transaction. Think of it like making sure you put the correct address on a letter before you drop it in the mailbox. A simple mistake can lead to big problems. Kraken typically makes it clear which network you're using when you select USDT for deposit or withdrawal. They usually have a drop-down menu or some other way to specify the network. Pay close attention to this detail. If you're unsure, it's always better to contact Kraken support and ask for clarification. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your digital assets. Now, you might be wondering, why wouldn't all exchanges support all USDT networks? Well, there are a few reasons. One reason is technical complexity. Integrating support for different blockchain networks requires development work and maintenance. Exchanges need to ensure the security and stability of their platform when adding support for new networks. Another reason could be related to regulatory compliance. Different jurisdictions might have different rules and regulations regarding which cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks exchanges can support. So, to summarize, Kraken does indeed support USDT TRC20, which is fantastic news for users who want to leverage the benefits of the Tron network. Remember, always double-check the network you're using when depositing or withdrawing USDT on Kraken or any other exchange. This simple step can save you from a lot of potential headaches. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of USDT and stablecoins to the specifics of the Tron network and Kraken's support for USDT TRC20. Hopefully, this video has cleared up any confusion you might have had and empowered you to make informed decisions about your crypto transactions. Remember, understanding the different blockchain networks and token standards is crucial for navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. It's an ongoing learning process, and it's important to stay informed and up to date. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.